Hey guys, hopefully you remember this piece here that we did recently. We went ahead and did a UV laser over this and added black ink. Now that video got some really awesome traction and we got some really cool ideas from it. So we've decided that we're going to print directly on the back here. Now we're going to be using our UV Flatbed Printer right here in front of us to do so. And apparently this machine can print on almost any surface. So we're going to put that to a test. Let's see how it comes out. Alright, so the first thing we need to do here is go ahead and get our perfect height so that we can print onto it. So that we're going to use our automatic sensors that are built in to get that perfect height so the head doesn't hit that piece of granite. Once we've got that, we can set our origin for the height and also set our origin for the print. Then we can place our granite in place, put it back to home and push print. And let's see what happens. Before we start printing, I just want to point something out here. So we've got our polished surface of the granite here, which I would say would be for a perfect print. This is the side you want to use. However, we are trying to do it on this porous, very unfinished side. So I have my skepticism about whether or not this is going to work. However, this is a UV flatbed printer and it's supposed to print on any surface. So let's find out. The really cool thing about this printer here is we've got 3 separate heads in our compartment here. And the awesome thing is that we are going to be using the dedicated white head to put a layer of white first, which is also a double layer, to fill in all those little grooves where the porous surface isn't flat. From there, we've got our CMYK head, which is then going to print the color directly onto that white surface we've just printed. And then lastly, we've got our third head, which is our varnish, which then applies a last layer over the entire print, which makes it quite solid. It's got a good thickness to it, so it protects the print and it makes it gloss, which is quite nice. I'm really excited because I want to see how this comes out. Not only that, I need to share this with people, so I'm not going to wait for the video to be made. I'm going to film some of it myself just to show people how cool this is. So guys, it's finished printing and I'm just going to pick it up and put it down here on the bed so that we can quickly have a look here. And first thing I want to say is, let's see if it comes off. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a good scratch. And absolutely nothing. So that answers my first question. Can it print on the surface? The answer is yes. And it looks like it's pretty well stuck there. Second answer for that question was, will it come out pretty good? I think so. The varnish makes it really, really nice and it pops quite well on this really porous surface that we've got here. I'm super impressed with the way that this UV flatbed printer is printed directly on this surface. Because of being so porous, I didn't think it was going to work. But it was my first time using this machine and it was super friendly to use and it wasn't difficult to operate. So that being said, you could pretty much use anything in here. With the sensors that it's got, you can print on pens, anything that you can think of. So I'm just going to put this piece over here for you to look at and leave it there. And on this piece, we decided to go ahead and do another test. And this one was without varnish at all. And we also did a test where we printed over the broken edge to see how that print would fare. And it is pretty well stuck. I think it came out so cool and natural with it broken there. Now, I want to leave these two here for you guys to have a look at. So you got some food for thought and an idea to sit with on whether or not you use varnish or no varnish. So guys, we've got our front, which is UV laser, and we've got our back, which is UV printed. And just like this machine, AM has so many more awesome machines. Now, the one that's really drawing my attention right now is that big one there behind me. That is the Cut Cyclops. So guys, here's a really cool piece of machinery just in front of me. Now this machine can save you so much time in a day if you have it because of its process that it can do. Now if you want to see awesome machines just like this and how they actually work, you're going to need to go ahead, click that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can get notified on videos just like this one.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines, we fix machines, we teach machines, and we feed everyone in the process. Just for you.